Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a dog toy haul. So if you watched my video of what I got my dogs for Christmas, you know that I got these things. I ordered them for Christmas. And Paddington is like so excited. And they didn't arrive in time, so I thought I'd do a haul when they arrived. And everything arrived like a week later, so there are lots of things to show you. Paddington is very excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's just, oh my goodness, mommy, give me the cookie. Yes, yeah, there we go. See? Did I hit you in the face? Are you okay? Yes, you're okay. Okay. So, first thing I got, this has me opened. This he loves dearly, is a water buffalo horn. Barkbox. Everything I got, by the way, is from Barkbox or Barkshop. So they don't have these in stock anymore, I don't think. But they're so cool. Oh my god. So it's like an actual water buffalo horn. Settle down. And there was like some cheese on the inside that he loved to lick. There was like a little bit more left, if you can see. Paddington. I know you love it. Yes. You love it. I got two of these, one for Treacle, one for Paddington. Paddington has taken both because that is what he does. Poor Treacle. Here's Treacle. Treacle's watching. Come on, come on, little girl. Oh, here we go. Is this your horn? What do you think? Okay, but yeah, so these are really, really cool. And I feel like it triggers their, I don't know, like wolf instincts because it's like natural. It's like he took down the water buffalo himself. Okay, so the next thing I got, which I've already played with, this is like a chicken tenders little toy, or like a little fried chicken toy, and the little tenders come out, and little tendies come out, and you can squeak them, and the little bucket is very, very crinkly, which they love. When I first got Paddington, you're so excited, oh my goodness. Okay, when I first got Paddington, clearly he has like no boundaries, and he heard crinkling for the first time. He looked at me and he was like, oh, what is that? So he loves crinkling, like they all do. Okay, Treacle, don't be angry from the ground. Hey, excuse me. Do you want a tendy? Here you go. Okay. I'll put this on the couch. Paddington smells cookies. He's been like sniffing the boxes, but I haven't let him like fully like take everything because I wanted to do the haul first. So he is very excited. Okay. Next thing I got are some sugar and spice crunchy sticks for dogs and cats. They love these. I break one in half and I give like one half to both of them because they're pretty long. But it's basically, what is it? It's chicken, brown rice, potato flour, and cranberries. And they look like this. So I thought that it would be cute in their stocking. Obviously, there is no stocking right now. But yeah, do you want it? No, no, no. They're not supposed to jump off the bed because they're so tiny that like they can hurt themselves. And every so often, like when they're on here, I watch them pretty well. But every so often, Paddington's like, no, and he just dives. So, oh my god, that terrified me. Treacle, do you want a cookie? I wish you could see if she like dropped the little tendy treat or toy out of her mouth and was like, yes, mommy. Okay, and next, I got a hot dog toy because this is cute. This is a little big for the dogs. Mine, since they're both pomeranians, they like toys that are like this big. But I'm a foodie and I'm a sucker for anything food shaped, so I think that's like a common theme throughout all the toys I got today. But yes, anyway, this is the hot dog. It crinkles and squeaks, and yes, it's so cute. The hot dog is attached. Some of their toys come apart with Velcro, but this one doesn't. And next are potato chips. These little chips come out of this crinkly pouch. They're stuck in there now, but like you can cut the little plastic tag and take them out. But yeah, I think that those are so cute. And these chips are the perfect size for the dog. They're gonna take these out and then they're gonna like forget that this is even like a thing. Next is the same kind of thing. This is called Frank's Fluffle, and it's crinkly, and there are two little falafel inside. They're attached right now, but that can be trimmed, and they have like little faces on them, and these are, again, the dog's favorite sizes, and it's food, so it makes everybody happy. And like, it's so cute with like the lettuce and the onion and the tomato. Oh my god, so cute. Okay. Next, I've gotten this for Paddington before I got Treacle. It is called a Chicky Twizy. When unwrapped, it looks so much like poop. Like, so much. I always end up doing like a double take. What? But Paddington will chew his way through any kind of treat, but this takes him a while. So I appreciate it because my little dogs are foodies and they will just like go to town, and this one makes them appreciate it and savor it a little more. I think I got 2 of these, 1 for each, but even so, Paddington's gonna take like both of them. And Treacle's gonna get angry at him. I don't know how to prevent that. Okay, next are, Paddington's here. There's a cookie behind you. No, it's not for you though, man. Beefsteak. So this is like, I think, dehydrated steak, or like freeze-dried steak. It's like literally steak. I forget how much these are, but my dogs are spoiled, clearly. But yeah, Barkbox has a lot of good things like this, and it is just, oh, it's beef lung. Okay. So it's beef lung steak. Oh, there we go. I'm sure it's gonna smell awful, but little Paddington's just like down there watching me now, so he wants it, which is good. Next, what is this? Bow tie beef jerky. So in the close-up, I'll take them out of the bags, but right now I'm on my bed and like I don't want beef on my bed, because that would be gross. But yeah, so these are little things of beef jerky, but they are shaped like bows, which is cute, and they like their jerky. I got these 2 things. They are way heavier and bigger than I expected, so these are probably fit for larger dogs, but that won't stop Paddington. Like, this is like actually heavy. But these are little toys that you can put treats inside, and so when I'm out, the dogs go into their individual crates, and so I put these little toys, kind of like Kongs, which is effectively what they are. I like spread some peanut butter on the inside, or like stick some cheese inside, and so it distracts them and gives them something to do while I'm out. Paddington now loves it and will like run into his crate when he sees me like using one of these. So I wanted some more because like I just, whenever I'm going out, like I try to look for them, and I have like 6, but you can never find them because they're like under the couch or they're just somewhere. So I got a penguin and I got a caterpillar, but this is so heavy, like it would like knock me out if someone threw it at me. Oh my god. And then in the next order, this is, it's called the Soup Troop, and so I thought that the vegetables came out, but they don't. But it looks like a little pot of soup with some celery and carrot, and they're crinkly, and does it squeak? I'm sure it does. Yes, it does, but it's too big. The dogs won't be able to squeak it because their mouths are too tiny, but yeah. Okay, and then here is another little Kong thing, but it's a Pinecone. Again, this is so heavy. I mean, it's really good quality. It says it's super chewer, so I think that this would be something that if your dog can chew through everything, they won't be able to chew through this. And this is a beef kneecap. I got 2 of these. One is in the kitchen because I was going to debate and give it to the dogs, but I wanted to wait. These are good. You need to give this to the dogs with supervision because you don't want them, like if they choke on a part of it or they break like a piece of bone off, you don't want them like that getting stuck in their throat. So this is like a treat that I'm gonna watch them play with, and obviously not give them the whole thing, just gonna give them a little bit and then take it away and then give them some more. When I take it away, they're gonna get upset with me, but they have to learn that the treats will come back always. Okay, so this is really cool. Oh, do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah, oh my goodness, you spoiled little man. This is a venison dog chew, venison hide crepe with venison liver. So I think there's like liver sprinkled on here, but it looks like a little crepe. And I don't know if they've had venison before, but he seems pretty excited about it. So I got 2 of these. And I also got 2, one they've eaten already. Whoa, we like this one, don't we? This is a beef burger chew. So it looks exactly like a burger patty, but that's being freeze-dried. They love it so much. Oh my goodness, I broke it up because it's pretty big, so I gave them little pieces, and they were happy puppies. And lastly, this is like more for me than for them because it's so cute. This is my pup of tea. So it's a teacup, and then you can pull out the tea bag. So this is so cute. I know a lot of dogs like toys that you can like take out of others. So I don't know, I think, or Treacle will really like this little cord at least. Yes, and then the teacup is like this and crinkly. But yeah, so that is everything I got. I hope that you guys liked this video. If there's any shops that you want me to shop for and do a haul from for like dog treats and dog accessories and stuff like that, let me know. I know a lot of people want me to do a Wish haul, so I'll definitely do that in the near future. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you don't know yet, Paddington and Treacle are on Instagram. It's Paddington_Pom and Treacle_Pom. So they would love you to join and follow them and look at their photos. Yes, because you're very cute. Oh, you're very, very cute, aren't you? Yes. Oh, you're so upset because I'm holding you and you can't touch the cookies. Oh. Okay, that's the magic word. So anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on in my next video. Bye!